Further word problems involving fractions with binomials at denominator. Example: I did think of a number and subtract 5 from it. I did divide 72 by the result. If Ade's answer is 4, what number did Ade think of? Solution: let the number be y. If the number is y, then I did think of a number and subtract 5 from it. Subtracting 5 from the number, which is y, what is the result? Result of this second part of the first statement is going to be what? Is subtracted 5 from that number, it. And what is that it now? That is y. Subtracted 5 from y. So that's going to be y minus 5. That is the result. So the result is y minus 5. Now, let's move further. I did divide 72. Divide 72 by the result. So dividing 72 by the result, what do we have? Then we have another new result. Another new result. Dividing 72 by the result. What is the result now? The result is what? Y minus 5. It means dividing 72 by y minus 5. 72 divided by y minus 5. And this is, we're having a new result now. If Ade's answer is 4, what number did Ade think of? If Ade's answer, that is the new result, if the new result now is 4, that is means equals to in mathematics. If Ade's answer is 4, meaning if Ade's answer equals to 4. So this equals to 4 now. Now we have a simple equation. 72 divided by y minus 5 equals to 4. Looking at the right hand side, we can write 4 as 4 divided by 1. So from what we have here, the next thing for us to do is to cross multiply. We cross multiply. If we cross multiply, what do we have? We have 72 into bracket 1 equals to, what do we have? That is 4 into bracket y minus 5. So the next thing for us to do is to expand the bracket. 72 times 1, what do we have? That's 72. Now, we expand the bracket at the right. 4 times y, that is 4y. Now 4 times minus 5, that will give us minus 20. Now the next thing for us to do is to collect the like terms. Collecting the like terms, what do we have? We can move minus 20 to the left to meet 72 because they are like terms. So we have, when we move minus 20 to the left, it becomes plus 20. And this is equals to 4y. 72 plus 20 will be what? 92 equals to 4y. Now the next thing for us to do is to divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 4. Now dividing both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 4, we have 92 divided by 4 equals to 4y divided by 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 1. Now, 9 divided by 4, we have 2. Remainder 1. Now, 12 divided by 4, what do we have? That is 3. It means that the value of y is equals to 23, meaning that y equals to 23. So, the number that Ade think of is 23. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.